Photovoltaic Cell Energy Conversion. Welcome to this presentation on photovoltaic cell energy conversion. Today, we'll explore how sunlight is converted into electricity using photovoltaic technology. What is a photovoltaic cell? A photovoltaic cell, commonly known as a solar cell, is a device that converts sunlight directly into electricity. These cells are the essential building blocks of solar panels. The basic principle behind photovoltaic cells is the photovoltaic effect. When sunlight, composed of photons, strikes the cell, it excites electrons, creating an electrical current that can be harnessed as electricity. Structure of a photovoltaic cell. A photovoltaic cell consists of several layers. The top layer is a transparent glass cover. Below that, semiconductor layers form a p-n junction, which is critical for separating electrons and holes. Metal contacts are placed to collect and transport the generated current. Energy conversion process. When photons are absorbed by the semiconductor, electrons are excited and moved from the p-type layer to the n-type layer. This movement generates an electric current, which is extracted and used as electrical power in an external circuit. Factors affecting efficiency. The efficiency of photovoltaic cells depends on multiple factors including the sunlight's intensity, the temperature of the cells, the semiconductor material's quality, and the installation angle of the solar panels. Applications of photovoltaic energy. Photovoltaic energy finds applications in many areas, from residential solar power systems and large commercial solar farms to off-grid installations and portable solar chargers used in remote locations. Advantages and challenges. Some advantages of photovoltaic energy are its renewability, low operating costs, and environmental friendliness. However, challenges include high initial installation costs, relatively low efficiency compared to other energy sources, and dependency on weather conditions. Conclusion. In conclusion, photovoltaic cells play a crucial role in converting sunlight into usable electricity, paving the way toward a sustainable energy future. Ongoing research is steadily improving efficiency and reducing costs to make solar energy even more accessible. Thank you. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.